Hi, in this guide, we will show you how to add a dynamic PDF into documents when you create submission links. So first, when you are going to the form builder, you add a new data field and select File Upload. You can change the name and let's say Additional File. And you can decide if you want it to be non-editable or insert it at the start of the document. So non-editable field means the customer cannot edit it. And if you want to use it for automations, this is probably what you are looking for. And it's up to you if you want to place it at the beginning of the document or at the end. By default, it's at the end, but for the example here, we will do it at the beginning. And of course, save it by updating the form. Now let's see how it looks in Make. In Make.com, in Create Submission Link module, these are the settings. So you choose the form you place on the playfill data, but you are interested now in advanced settings. Okay, you have to toggle it on, and under Files Attachments, manually add the field key of the File Upload field. So just copy and paste it from FillFaster template and place it here. Then you can add one or more files here. You can add image or PDF. We use an example PDF here. You can bring it from any source like from Google Docs, file storage, etc. and use it. You can also map it, but let's just stick with the default. After you create the link, this is how it looks. Let's open it and see. So if you remember, our form template included only one page. And this is the page we added, the example page. And it's added at the beginning of the document on top of our template page. For the recipient, it looks like it's one long document. They wouldn't know it's added dynamically. Thanks for watching.